Are you tired of blurry photos and want to take your photography game to the next level? In this video, we'll be counting down the top-rated 4K photography cameras with autofocus that will revolutionize the way you capture life's precious moments. From stunning landscapes to breathtaking portraits, we'll dive into the features, specs, and prices of these incredible cameras that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this video is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their camera gear and take their photography skills to new heights. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the best 4K photography cameras with autofocus on the market. Number 1. 4K Digital Camera for Photography Autofocus, 2024 latest 48MP vlogging camera for YouTube with SD card, 2 batteries, 3-inch 180-degree flip screen compact travel camera for teens with 16x zoom, anti-shake, black. About this item. 4K Digital Camera with Autofocus. The newest 4K digital camera for photography captures videos in 4K resolution and snaps Ultra HD 48MP images. With autofocus and 16x digital zoom, every detail is crisp, clear, and vibrant, even captured from a distance. 180 degrees flip screen and portable, our 4K camera for photography offers a 3.0-inch IPS 180 degrees flip screen, ideal for selfie enthusiasts and vlogging creation. Designed for travel and everyday use, this compact travel camera for pictures is built to last. Its small size and durable construction make it a reliable companion for capturing memories on the go. Multifunctional photography camera, the 4K digital video camera features a date stamp, exposure compensation, -3.0 to +3.0, video pause and playback, time-lapse, slow motion, giving your videos a creative edge. Additional features like a fill light, anti-shake, 3 continuous shooting, smile and face detection, beauty face, self-timer, and various filters encourage you to stretch your creative boundaries. The hot shoe can also be connected with an external microphone or flashlight. Webcam and easy transfer, this 4K vlogging camera for YouTube doubles as a webcam, perfect for live streaming, video chats, and vlogging. You can connect the photo camera to your computer via an USB cable for easy file download, sharing your experiences with friends instantly. With 2 spare rechargeable batteries and 1 charging station, never worry about power shortage. A perfect gift with a hassle-free warranty, user-friendly and versatile, this portable digital camera for teens is an ideal gift for kids, beginners, amateurs, teens, and seniors, fulfilling daily shooting needs easily. Enjoy our worry-free 18-month replacement and refund warranty. Our prompt customer support team is ready to assist you in under 12 hours. Number 2. Digital cameras for photography 4K 48MP with autofocus and anti-shake, vlogging camera for YouTube with 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen, 16x zoom, SD card and 2 batteries, compact travel camera for teens, black. About this item. 4K Ultra HD with 16x zoom, shoot stunning 4K videos and 48MP photos with fast autofocus. 16x digital zoom keeps distant subjects clear, perfect for vacations, events, and wildlife. Flip screen and portable design, 3 IPS flip screen makes vlogging and selfies easy. Lightweight body fits in any bag for travel and adventures. Professional creative tools includes time-lapse, slow motion, stabilization, filters, and hot shoe for accessories. Adjust exposure, -3.0 to +3.0, and add date stamps. Webcam and quick sharing works as 4K webcam for streaming. Fast USB transfers and 2 batteries included for all-day use. Beginner-friendly kid-easy auto modes for new users. Comes with SD card and 1-year warranty. Great gift option. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.